Presenting the Canon Pixma MG2577s all-in-one inkjet color printer. The printer is ideal for occasional home and small office usage requiring less than 100 prints per month. The compact design allows you to save your space and place this printer on your desktop or shelf. The printer uses inkjet technology to produce high-quality prints. This all-in-one printer can perform print, scan and copy functions and can print in color and black and white. Connect to the printer using the USB cable. You get a printing speed of up to 8 black and white pages or 4 color pages per minute. The printer also supports multiple paper sizes and borderless printing to help you with your various print requirements. Printing cost per page is 5.3 rupees for black and white prints and 7.8 rupees for color prints. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is PG745 black, CL746 color. 1 unit each of both these cartridges come free with this printer. The printer comes with 1 color and 1 black ink cartridge, a power cord, USB cable and CD-ROM inside the box. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.